How to install rivnuts. Step 1. Mark out where you need the holes. Step 2. Drill where you need the holes, preferably with a small bit first. Then use a bigger drill bit to match the size of the rivnut. Screw the rivnut on until it reaches a suitable spot where you can grab the handle fairly easily. That's all the depth gauge is about. Insert the rivnut into the hole that you drilled. Hold the rivnut gun securely and squeeze really hard. Squeeze until the point where you physically cannot squeeze any further without going too excessively where you'd pull the threads through. Release the handle and unscrew. That's one rivnut in.